G'day, here's a parcel of only small pieces, but this opal nevertheless of fossil material from Lightning Ridge. I'll zoom in a bit so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in there. As you can see, they're mostly about 10mm in diameter, or thereabouts. Mostly blues and greens. I split a larger parcel up into two to make this and the other parcel. The other had some multicoloured pieces in it. I dare say this should have too. So it was randomly split up. Little bits like this that you should be able to cut something out of. It's probably a bit sandy, that piece, but it's multicoloured. You can see the reds there. That is a red flash. It's not rust stain. Bits of crystal. Pieces like these that are definitely fossils. Just put those into a little necklace the way they are. That bit I showed you before. Sun flash type material. It's a bit small perhaps, but larger pieces often get faceted. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at there. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.